Hello, I'm Steve Day, field service technician for Emerson. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your 1056 or 56 to see the reference and glass impedance of a pH sensor. Depending on your process, your glass and reference impedance can increase over time during the normal operation of your sensor. The diagnostic parameter can give you the indication that the sensor needs to be cleaned. If the glass impedance decrease below 10, there's a possibility that your pH sensor is cracked. To see the glass and reference impedance, you want to select Program, scroll to Diagnostic Setup, scroll to Sensor 1 or 2, depending on where the pH sensor is located. Select Enter, scroll to Next, turn on your sensor diagnostic from off to on, select Exit 3 times, scroll to Info, then scroll to Sensor 1 or 2, depending on the pH location, and you'll see an indication of your glass and reference impedance.